Alright, so it is June 4th, 2024 at 7:48 p.m. We're in Wichita, Kansas, and it is really coming down out there. Let's see if it's still doing it. Can't even see out of my window. You can see. Wow, it's bad. It's craziness. Look at all the water. Look at this. That's insane. It's a lot of. It's been raining like this for the last 20 minutes, and it's actually let up a little bit, but it's flooding everywhere. See that? It's I'm so glad I don't live in an apartment anymore. My whole living room would be flooded right now. It'd be like my foot's out here in my driveway. That's what my living room would look like. That's crazy. Yeah. Pretty badass. Wow. Anyway, this is Wichita, Kansas. It rains here. I'm sorry, Washington people in Seattle. That you don't get rain, you get mist. This is what rain looks like. Hear that? That's called thunder. Ah, that's crazy. First it let up. I wish I got a video. It was coming down. You couldn't even see it was coming down so hard. All right, everybody's caught up now.